First time opening this bad boy up.
So this is just the case for it. Okay.
Cool. Kaboat by Saturn.
Looks pretty sturdy. Clicks in, just like so. Like that.
And this comes with the boat, the foot pump. I like that the rope is looped through like that.
Maybe keep it like this for now, and then I'll do the other side.
So workout. Not too bad, eh?
Should we just a little bit taller? You know, they always make fun of small people. They never consider the people who are tall and enjoy boating.
Hey. What is that for?
This is the floor.
These are almost like the aircraft emergency floaty devices, eh? Looks good.
Nice.
We should check the points too, see if there's any ripples. See one on that side. I think that needs to go up. More? Or? Yeah, keep going. Yeah, you should be able to sit on that. Cool.
That was nice and quick.
Let's put the floor in. Push it all the way to the corner to the... Pull it back.
Cuba's up for the challenge.
Ooh, look at that pattern that just came out of nowhere.
It looks
Alright,
good.
hold up.
Yeah,
Let's see.
looks good.
That's what he meant.
Alright.
So pretty. Now we install the seats
Seats.
Oh, they
Into
smashed it.
this.
and then clip in aluminum seating. And then do you screw
That's
them?
just that's to
Keep them in the same
to
position.
roll, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
So
awesome.
we're doing some robo shit, you know? Stealth mission kit. Turn off the motor.
Yeah, here it is. I wonder if you can row from the front.
Well,
It's probably
yeah, well, they turn, right? So, and then just...
Yeah, maybe, yeah. We're big enough. And baby, you can just chill
sit in the front with my feet down there.
Yeah.
You might even be able to sit off the ledge, to be honest. Cause,
It's a pretty strong boat.
Yeah.
yeah.
So we got a 5-speed trolling motor.
This was one we unboxed. We haven't used it yet.
We also got a 20-pound battery at 35 amps per hour. So we got a
Water shoe.
And then we also have to install the propeller.
Are we done with that?
tightening up the mount, getting it all on there. Make sure the back of the motor is up, so when you pull her into the lake, you're not having any issues. That's the top. There is a little pin that you lay on the bottom side of this, so this would be like this. There is a pin, you lay the pin there, and then you see there's like a small little area where it allows it to sit on top, and that allows it not to, it gives it a little bit of space in between here. You put the washer on, and then you put the bolt on, and you screw it on. Awesome. Good to go.
The nut, yeah. Maybe you can sit right under the seat.
Ah, yeah. Ah, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Just placed it sideways.
Yeah, because that area never really gets wet, right?
I don't even need to unhook these because they're so close.
No, yeah, exactly.
Because you don't want a bunch of loose wires everywhere, right?
Yeah. So this is the most important part. Lining up the positive with the positive and the negative with the negative.
Making sure that your
And making sure everything's off.
Now, if you don't have fingers of steel, you can't do this.
You need a little set of pliers or something?
I have fingers of steel. I have stingers of
A
steel.
little wrench.
I have stingers of steel. Now, here is the boat fully completed, Kaboat, from Saturn, with a trolling motor.
By Shakespeare. Captain, say cheers for the camera. Hello, we got the boat in action.